Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and it's Crafty Wednesday. I'm not going to be able to complete this project today. My back has just gone out. Anyways, this project is from a magazine, and I'm doing a dupe, and it's Grandin Road, and it's their new Halloween magazine, and they have the best stuff in there. Now you see those topiary of pumpkins. Of course, mine's not going to look just like that, but it will look similar. They want pre-lit jack-o'-lantern topiary, $299. Are you kidding me? How about $5, $4, something like that. So I found these pumpkins at Walgreens, and it's important to have the rounded ones and not the square ones. These are just the Halloween buckets that kids take out trick-or-treating for their candy collection. So my boys will not let me use an X-Acto knife. They're like, no, Mom, you'll cut yourself. I will do it. And you know what? Shh, that was just fine with me. I didn't want to do it to begin with. So this is my son, Matthew, and he's helping Mom out again. He also helps me out in the kitchen a lot on Sunday supper. But so he is busy. He's got 3 of these, and he's cutting the eyes, nose, and mouth out because I want to light these up. So I think it's going to look really cool. I want to keep the orange on the inside, and I'm going to be spray painting the outside. So here he goes. Oh, he's like, Mom, it needs a eye patch. He's funny. So anyways, after he got it all cut out, I took some blue painter's tape, and I just taped the inside over the eyes, nose, and mouth so I wouldn't get it paint. Like I said, I just want the paint on the outside, and I want it to stay orange on the inside. So I'm using this paint that bonds well to plastic, and it really did. And the color is called Granite. It is a gray color by Rust-Oleum. And I love this paint, and I happen to have this on hand, which even makes it better. So here I've got my pumpkin all taped off so the paint doesn't go through. And boy, I hate spray painting too. I get it all over me. So I did go out and I spray painted, and that's what it looks like, the color Granite. I really like this color, and I like that it has a satin finish on it as well. So now I got to pull that tape out from behind the eyes, nose, and mouth, which I'm going to do. And as you see, you can peek through and still see the orange. So I think that's going to be really pretty when it's lit up. And it does look like the one in the Topiary in Grandin Road. So this is what I used for a top. Was an old, not Tupperware, but the Rubbermaid container, and it fit perfectly. And I will disguise that better so you won't know what it is. And I found this little stick in my backyard that I think, oh, excuse my finger, that I think will make a perfect stem. So there we have it. There's all 3 of my pumpkins, all spray painted and ready for the next step. And let me show you what I'm going to do here next is I am going to take some of this really light, it's like a really light aqua blue color. This is called China Blue. You can use whatever you like. I did try another green. I didn't like it. And because I noticed in the magazine that they have it very, very lightly sponged, and it just adds a different dimension to it. So you can see I've sponged some on, and then I actually rubbed some in. I didn't want too much of it, just a little bit for that extra dimension of color. So now I took a paintbrush and I just went through the veins of the pumpkin and darkened them up. This is like a charcoal gray color. You could use black. You could use green. Your pumpkins, you can do whatever you would like. So I just went through all the veins and darkened it up, and then if it came out too dark and I didn't like it, I took my sponge and I just sponged over it a little bit more with that China blue color. I think it came out pretty good. That one actually I went over again because I thought the darkness in the veins was too dark and I wanted it lighter, so I did go over and lighten that up some. I used my finger. I just used my finger after I put it on with the paintbrush and just kind of smeared it in. Very easy to do. So here's my 3 stack pumpkins, and if you notice, I have them each turned, their faces turned a slightly different direction. Now, I only used 3. The magazine did want 4, but 3 was tall enough for me. I really want to I can't talk. Appreciate you guys for watching, and hi to all our new subscribers and our old subscribers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on part 2.